Sheena from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another 52 weeks of favorite photos, and it's hosted by Miranda Weber over on My Scrappy Life. I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and this month I am using the Miss Kate Summer Break collection, and I'm also combining this with Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, hosted by Crystal Barrett. And since today is Monday, it is Mood Board Monday. So I have chosen this mood board off my Pinterest. I absolutely love these colors together. And I used this stamp set, the flowers from this stamp set. This is a Vicky Booten stamp set. I don't know what collection it was from. And I am using this sketch. This is a sketch by Allison Davis, made for Scrapbook and Cards Today for 2024 Spring Summer Sketches. So this was my inspiration. I already did a little bit of prep work. So I already cut out all my flowers, stamped, cut, and inked my flowers. I just took my brushes with Distress Oxide and rubbed on the center. I have some greenery. I have this cute little title that says Picnic, made by Janie Swinford. And I've already put some foam on it. And then I have these cute little watermelon border by Marcel, or Marcella, maybe. And then I have my photos, which these are some of my favorite photos. This was all taken in the backyard. I cooked homemade bread and all that stuff, and we had a little picnic in the backyard. I think this was either 2 or 3 years ago. And then I have papers from my collection. I have a piece of vellum that I pulled out of my stash, and I took my paper and I glued it to a scrap paper, and then I just went through and sewed it with my green thread. And then I took my green thread and I sewed around the edge of my white cardstock. So this layout is going to stay pretty close to what the sketch looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on. And then I have this that I think I'm going to put my title on, which is going to be like this. So, let's see. I think I will use double stick tape to hold down my vellum. And I'm just going to flip this over the way I'm going to have it and put it right here along the back of my title so it doesn't show how I'm holding the vellum down. So that way that part will be hidden. Which double stick tape does better at vellum than glue does, because it doesn't show as much. But of course you can still see it, so I always try to put it in little spots where you can hide it. Or you could always use like brad, staples, things like that to hold it down so that you don't see it, or so that you don't have to use glue or tape to attach it, and then you wouldn't be seeing the marks. And then I have my photos I'm going to put on. I did mat them in black to help bring in the mood board. And on the sketch it shows using 2 3x3 photos. I didn't do that. I used a 4x4 and two 2x2s because I could just print these photos all together on a 4x6 photo. So it all worked out. Oops. And then to take care of all of my flowers and my greenery, all I'm going to do is go down through here and put it like it has it on the sketch. So it has it poking out some on the side of the sketch. And I'm going to do that, and then I think after I put it there, because I don't really want to tuck it in up under there per se, I think I'm going to put this watermelon here as a border to just kind of hide all the rough edge of that. So that's my plan. So I'll fast forward this quicker so that you can just see me put it all in, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I think that's going to be the layout. Look how cute. And, I think it's just super cute. I think the stitching adds just that little something extra. I will write in the date on here somewhere. And, I don't know, it just feels incomplete. I like it, but the flower centers need something. Let's see. I could put sequins on there. I think I will. I think I'll put sequins, and I think I'll use gold because I think it'll go the best with the other colors. Okay, so I have different size gold sequins, so I'll fill them in. I'll post a picture at the end. Be sure to go and check out everyone else that's playing along with all these hops with How to Kill a Kit, Off the Board, and 52 Weeks, and see what they created this week and show them some love. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, I would love to have you. And until next time, bye y'all.